Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a concept that's burying the gravity of sales and marketing world, selling salt to an earthworm. Why you shouldn't sell salt to earthworms. The idea is that a good marketer can sell anything to anyone, no matter how useless or unwanted the product is. But here's the thing, that's just not true. Earthworms don't need salt, in fact, it can actually harm them. So, no matter how fancy your packaging is, or how good your sales pitch is, an earthworm is never going to be your customer. Selling poison is like selling salt to an earthworm. Think about it this way, would you accept free food if you knew it was poisoned? Of course the answer is no. It wouldn't matter if the person offering it was the most persuasive salesperson in the world. Similarly, if you're trying to sell a product that your audience doesn't want or need, you're essentially trying to sell them something that could hurt them. But sadly, some people claim sell salt to an earthworm is a strategy. Then, imagine what your prospects go through when you advertise your product that they don't want. Or imagine collecting money from you and not giving you the solution you paid for in the name of strategy. 3. The negative impact of pestering with unwanted products. And it's not just about the immediate harm. Constantly bombarding people with ads for products they don't want is a great way to annoy them and damage your brand reputation. Imagine if someone kept showing you something you didn't want, day after day. It would get pretty old, right? For selling is about helping people. Helping people to solve their problem genuinely will always glue their mind to your products always. So, instead of selling salt, your product, to earthworm, wrong audience. Why don't you change your product and sell water, good product, to earthworm, target audience? Or better still, change your audience then. Sell salt, your product, to human, hungry audience. Because why? Selling is not telling lies crossmark. Selling is not making sales crossmark. Selling is not convincing prospects crossmark. So, what's the alternative? Here's the key, selling is not about tricking people into buying things they don't need. Selling is about helping people. If you can offer a product or service that solves a genuine problem for your audience, then they'll be happy to buy from you again and again. 5. Target the right audience. It's also important to target the right audience. Just like you wouldn't try to sell salt to earthworms, you wouldn't try to sell a product for dog owners to cat owners. Find your ideal customer, the person who needs what you're offering, and then focus your marketing efforts on them. Remember, selling is about building relationships and trust. By providing value to your audience and helping them solve their problems, you'll be well on your way to skyrocket your brand to success. If you want to learn more about how to target the right audience and create marketing messages that resonate, leave a comment below and let me know what you're struggling with. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips.